Once you open SmartSize, navigate to the Get Started section. Think of this as your setup checklist. It breaks everything down into 4 simple steps. Go ahead and click Create Quiz. The first thing it'll ask is, who is this quiz for? You'll see options like women, men, or unisex. For this walkthrough, let's go with women. Next, you'll select the body parts you want to measure. For most women's apparel, you'll typically want bust, waist, and hips. Go ahead and check all 3. Now you'll choose a quiz type. You have 2 options here, prediction and precision. Prediction uses our AI model to estimate a customer's measurements based on a few simple questions. Precision, on the other hand, asks customers to input their actual measurements directly. It's more exact, but requires a bit more effort from the shopper. For this walkthrough, we'll go with prediction. Now click Create Quiz, and you'll be taken to the quiz editor. First up, let's give your quiz a name. This is just for your own reference. Your customers won't see it. For example, you might call it something like Women Dress Spring/Summer 2026. Below the name, you'll see the measurements we selected earlier: bust, waist, and hips, all confirmed and ready to go. Now to the size table. This is where you enter your size chart data. You have a few options. You can type it in manually, paste it from a spreadsheet, or even upload a screenshot of your size chart. And our AI will extract the data for you automatically. Let's try it out. If you upload a screenshot, the extraction usually takes about 30 seconds. Once it's done, you'll see all the data neatly populated in the size table. Take a moment to double check that everything looks right. A quick tip: if you need more room to review the data, click the Expand button to hide the preview panel and get a full-width view of the table. Next, check the measurement unit. SmartSize will try to detect this automatically when you use the upload feature. In our case, it correctly identified metric centimeters. You'll also notice an advanced settings, but we won't go deep into this right now. Now let's make sure everything is working. Click Verify your quiz results. You'll see a helpful checklist. 1. Fill in your size table. Done. 2. Enable the measurement review step. Done. When this is turned on, customers will see the measurements the AI predicted for them before they get their size recommendation. You can easily hide this step from your customers via advanced settings. 3. Walk through the quiz using the live preview. That's exactly what we'll do now. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your quiz. You can toggle between mobile and desktop views. Let's test it on desktop. Let's pretend we're a customer. We'll enter some details. Height, 173 centimeters. Weight, 58 kilos. Age, 32. Next, the quiz asks about body shape. Where do you carry most of your volume? Let's select evenly distributed. Then for the upper body, curvy A. And for the midsection, flat. For bra size, let's choose European 75A. Now say click Calculate Size. Because we enabled the measurement review step, you'll now see the predicted body measurements. This is the AI's best estimate based on the answers provided. Here's a good rule of thumb. Predictions are generally accurate within a 2 to 6 centimeter range. That makes this quiz excellent for everyday apparel, casual wear, dresses, tops, and so on. For garments where every single centimeter matters, like tailored suits, you might consider the precision quiz type instead. If the numbers look reasonable, click Looks Good. Find my size. And there it is, the recommendation. In our example, the quiz suggests size S, and it even tells us the fit, slightly tight at the top, but a perfect fit below. You can also click View Size Chart to see the full chart with all the values you entered. And if a customer wants to adjust anything, they can click Edit Measurements to go back and fine-tune. I'd recommend testing the quiz a few times with values you know well. That way, you can feel confident the recommendations are solid before going live. And if you have any questions, you can always get in touch with our team. We are really fast to respond. Now that your quiz is working beautifully, it's time to connect it to the right products. Head over to Link Quiz to Products. Here you'll choose which quiz to link. In our case, the women's prediction quiz we just created. You have several ways to link it. You can link directly to individual products. Just search and select the ones you want. You can link to entire collections, for example, all products in your women collection. Or you can link by product type, vendor, or tags, giving you lots of flexibility. You'll also see a condition setting at the top. All conditions, or any condition. If you choose all, a product must match every condition you've set. If you choose any, it just needs to match at least one. For most setups, any gives you nice broad coverage. As you make your selections, you'll see the number of matching products update in real time. One more thing here, quiz priority. If a product happens to match multiple quizzes, the priority number determines which quiz wins. Lower numbers mean higher priority. This is handy once you have several quizzes running. You can see if you have overlapping quizzes in the column Existing Quiz. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save. And if you would like to publish this quiz in your store, change the status of the quiz from draft to active. You can verify everything is connected by going to the Product section and clicking Refresh. You should see your products now showing an active quiz linked to them, and over in the Quizzes dashboard, your quiz will appear there too. Almost there. Your quiz exists and it's linked to products, but it's not visible on your store just yet. For that, we need to add the SmartSize button to your theme. Go back to the Get Started guide and click Add SmartSize to Theme. First, select which theme you want to publish to, typically your main live theme. Then click Add an App Block. This will open the Shopify theme editor, showing your default product page. You'll see that SmartSize has already added its app block. Look for it in the left sidebar. Now, just drag it up to the position where you'd like the Find My Size button to appear on your product page. Right below the size selector is usually a great spot. Click Save in the theme editor, and you're done with this step. Back in the Get Started guide, click Customize Design. This takes you to the theme settings where you can style the SmartSize button and pop-up to match your brand perfectly. Click on the SmartSize app block to open its settings. Here's what you can configure. Button text. This is what your customers see before they take the quiz. Something like, "What's my size?" or "Find my size" works great. Recommendation text. After a customer completes the quiz and returns to the product page, they'll see a personalized message like, "Your size is M." This text template updates automatically with the recommended size, so be careful not to modify the dynamic placeholder. Button style. You can display it as a standard button or as a simple text link. If you go with a text link, just make sure the color contrasts well with your page background so it's easy to spot. Alignment. Choose left, center, or right for both desktop and mobile. Accent color. This controls the highlight color used in the quiz pop-up. Pick something that matches your brand. Store locale. This sets the default measurement unit shown to customers. There are also some advanced settings, but they're totally optional for now. The defaults work great for most stores. One quick but important note. When adding app blocks manually in the theme editor, you'll notice two types of SmartSize buttons. Button for Size Quiz. This is the standard one. It dynamically matches the quiz to whatever product the customer is viewing. This is what you want for product pages. Button for Static Size Quiz. This one is for a fixed single quiz. You'd only use it if you want one quiz in a specific location, like your homepage, that isn't tied to individual products. For most stores, you'll always want the dynamic Button for Size Quiz. And that's the last step. Go back to the Get Started guide and click Check in My Store. Open your store, navigate to a product that you linked the quiz to, and you should see your beautiful new Find My Size button right there on the product page. Click it, walk through the quiz one more time, and confirm everything works exactly as expected. And just like that, you're live. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us directly or visit our help center. We're always happy to help. Thanks so much for choosing SmartSize. We can't wait to see how it works for your store. Happy selling!